Hello and welcome to LeadQuizzes, the number one AI quiz maker for marketers. This is Ahmad, your customer success manager. Now that your quiz is built, let's capture those leads. Here's how to set up your lead capture form. In your quiz, left menu, drag and drop the form field over onto the content element. Decide when to show the form. It can be either at the start or before the results, which works the best for high intent quizzes. In your form field, you can add name, first name, email address, last name, which is the standard, or you can also add phone number, company name, any short answers, any customized, up to you. Add a compelling form heading, something like ready to find out what your next home should be. Your lead capture form is now ready to build your email list. If you still have any questions, just reply or book a quick call. I'm here to help you succeed. Start building your quiz today with lead quizzes and watch your leads and your business grow faster. Thank you.